Hi everyone, this is Mahesh Kaamath here, founder of MAK Trading School. And in this video, I'll share my analysis on a stock called Havells India. So the chart that you see on my screen is the daily time frame chart for Havells. So I'll be sharing my analysis basis of supply and demand trading strategy, which is a simple price action based strategy which works on institutional footprints. So what I'm looking for is to identify a good demand zone to go long in this stock. So let me just enable the supply and demand zone indicator. So this is a proprietary indicator. So once I have enabled that, you see there is a rally institutional demand zone which the indicator has identified. So this level is around 1578. So around 1580 would be a good area to go long. So when the stock pulls back to the demand zone, I want to go long in this stock, and whatever would be the recent high, that would be my first target for this stock. So at the moment, it's a little far away from the zone. So what one can do is set your alert, and since it's a swing trade, you just need to wait patiently for a pullback to go long. So friends, if you want to know more about supply and demand trading, just click on the link in the description and also follow us for more such educational content. So thanks for watching, friends.